Ladies and gentlemen, as a minimum word, Lindikaya Nchinga. So on home, as promised, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Hogan, this man from Namibia, Waki. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, when you work with someone, you must trust their vision. My voice is not good today as a radio man. I'm a coder. Man. So also we've done that. So here's where when the lady comes back, we're gonna fill in the menus. No, they can buy, but then this is what I'm excited about the town, a small town called Bobbies. You see, you know, that's my town. That's my town. That's my town. When I come, I wanna eat that pizza in my mouth right now. Oh, so delicious. It's very no, that burger. Come on, that's nice. Yeah, but our town. You see this town? It's my town. Very colonial. I'm done here. I'm done here. So our menu, as we said, menu is beast. So when the lady sends me everything, then now we have our menu. Understand what I'm talking about? Lala, mene, kweche, koko, yeah. So when she sent me those, and then we're 90% now. We just need payment. I've worked so hard on this, but thank you to you, boss, for being a sponsor of information for me to get here. No one can ever tell us anything. No white person, no black person. It's only us. Yeah, man. Everything works. I'm ready. Everything works. Now we need to get to the part where we load the menus from her or from your designer, and then we 10% very critical because 10% is where we get paid. One love. God bless you.